truth. Ignore whatever this is. Hey people, it's me, Rachel from the RLSlife.com. I'm coming to you today with another video featuring a black-owned brand. So today, Mama Moore's popcorn. Mama Moore's, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not even at that point in my life yet. But this popcorn is this is a popcorn company by a black-owned woman who happens to be a veteran, and she's not in my local area, but in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And the first time I tried them, it was because I always see her on Instagram, and I saw her story initially on the news, and that's how I started following her. And plus, I love popcorn, even though I just did a video on weight loss, but I mean on your fitness journey. So give yourself some grace. Give yourself some grace. So I'm opening it up, and y'all, I ordered this on January 5th, and it got to my house January 7th. Oh, thank you for your purchase. Welcome to the family. We hope you love every kernel and come back for more. M-O-O-R-E. I will. I shall. And she signed it. She, like, that's a pen. Like, she signed. That's not a copy. That's a pen. So that's a card she gave me. Mama Moore popcorn. For sure. I will be back. So this is what I ordered. I got the 10-pack sampler, and then I got the popcorn joy box. Ebony and ivory and cheddar for those. This pack's real good in here. Okay, so what I got. These are the snack packs. I got bacon and cheddar. White cheddar, white cheddar jalapeno. Just white cheddar. I didn't want to get any repeats. I don't know what 3W is, but 3W and ranch. Probably 3 white cheddar. Ooh, maybe it's 3 cheese and ranch. I got loaded baked potato. What is this one? Dill. Dill is usually good. And that shut on good. Dill is usually very good. You can smell dill coming out the package. Hey, I'm making it up. I was making it up. I'm so excited about this video. You can't tell. I got ranch. What was that other one? I got ranch. Salted caramel. I love salted caramel anything, so I had to try that one. White chocolate and pretzel. I probably should have my kids in here to do this with me. And what is this one? Caramel with nuts. Caramel with nuts. And then those are all nice. And then the joy box. Popcorn provided by Mama Moore's Joy Box. I wanted to do a giveaway, but I'm not at that point in my life yet. So I have thoughts and desires for this channel, and it has everything to do with y'all, so y'all can help me live the life I want to live. Oh, this is pretty. Dang. My PVU. Did I get 2 cheddar? Oh, no, that's bacon. Okay, see, that's what I was saying. I don't want to repeat. Okay, so the brands that are featured, that are in here, BU Scent Bar, exclusively crafted for Mama Moore's popcorn. Oh, wow. B-E-E, U Scent Bar. Let me see if it smells like something. No, it don't smell like nothing. It just smell like a sanitizer. Did I show how nicely this looks in the box? Ooh, I ain't even had breakfast. So here's the regular cheddar. My kids are finna get excited because they finna get to sample all of this. And then ebony and ivory. Ebony and ivory. And then these. Chocolate covered Oreos. Oh, the company not on there. Let me see. She has a very cool website too. Mama Moore Cares. Here at Mama Moore's Gourmet Popcorn, we believe you deserve the best. Our delicious popcorn is handmade in small batches with the highest quality ingredients because at Mama Moore's, you aren't just a customer, you're family. Hence the card. I feel like family. 3 chocolate from Yelly Belly Chocolates. And they let you know it's not gluten-free. So Yelly Belly Chocolates, I'll put that down there too. We could all use a few moments of calm right now. Wouldn't you agree? Yep, I agree, Mama. Mama Moore. Mama Moore's Popcorn Joy Business at the... What? Mama Moore Joy Box. What? Mama Moore's Popcorn Joy Box allows you to do just that, as well as support 3 small businesses at the same time. See, that's my life. That's my life. That's the life I live. Not every small business has the reach and ability to ship online orders, so we wanted to create a gift box that helps small shops too. This is a perfect gift for yourself for relaxing, or maybe send it to someone who really needs a little something extra special right now. Family members in healthcare, a co-worker, a friend who's laid off, a client, a public service worker, a teacher that is really making a difference, or someone you really love. The choice is yours. So, I should have got 2 because I want to just taste. I'm going to order another one. And send it to somebody because that is a good idea. And so that's on her website, and I'll put that in the description. She has gift cards, everything. The other business that I wanted to highlight is Popcornology. That's a business in my hometown of Terrell, Texas. But because of COVID, she's not able to do her popcorn, I guess. But hopefully she comes back because her white cheddar popcorn, everything that I've had from her is literally like crazy good. So, but her white cheddar is my favorite. So let me open some Ting. What do I want to try? Oh, white cheddar. Let's have a meal right quick because I ain't even had breakfast. So loaded baked potato with ranch. I like ranch on my loaded baked potato in real life. And I need a dessert. My favorite, salted caramel. Let me get my sanitizer. Thank you, BU Scent Bar. My sanitizer. Been touching on stuff. That alcohol in there, baby. That's killing some germs. Do you hear me? So let me have my lunch real quick. Well, hell. But this ain't no baked potato. Girl, how you do this? Lord, am I going to share with my children? my husband. Mmm. Mmm. Mama more. Can I just call you mama, sis? Oh my God. Mmm. Okay. 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 I eat ranch with my baked potato. Lord have mercy. Now that was good. I need some water so I can. That ranch coming through. It's such a beautiful day. I just need to watch movies. Ooh, that's all. I'm finna watch some movies and eat this popcorn. That's what I'm gonna do. Thank you, Miss Moore. I want some M-O-O-R-E. I ain't gonna seal that up because I know I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna get my dessert. Let me get my dessert. I don't know why that's funny to me. Yeah, I don't know. I love popcorn. Tuesday, January 19th is National Popcorn Day. Mama Moore is a black-owned popcorn business, and I'm also in the DFW area. Sorry, y'all. Hope you have the opportunity or the funds to try them and to support our black-owned businesses because they need our help right now. It's, in this time. And Mama Moore's was good this time. It was good last time. Shipping came fast. She's a veteran. And she started this business to help put her son through college, if I remember correctly. So look her up. I'll put her, I'll put everybody's website. I'll put everything in the description. So check it out. Check it out. I just wanted to feature a black-owned business because I love black-owned businesses. Thank y'all for spending some time with me. I love you. I love popcorn. Mama Moore, you the truth. Ignore whatever this is. Bye. TheRLSLife.com. See you there. Bye.